Hey guys, let me show you my new QA tester notebook that I made. Ignore this. This is the proof that Amazon sends you, so it says not for resale. Obviously, when you order it, it's not gonna have that. The inside, I just put this notebook belongs to, so you can put your name in case you lose it. So the very first page is your logins, because that's the very first thing you're gonna do when you get a new contract when you start a job. You write the description, which is the page's name, your username and password. And trust me, if you start working as a tester, you're going to have tons of logins. You're going to have a login for Jira, for Figma, for Confluence, for wherever. You guys are writing your defects, Bugzilla, Spira, etc. I noticed that every job I get, I always get a new notebook. And they always have the same formats at the beginning. So my first few pages are always login information for Slack, your Teams, Google Mail, your work email, etc. So the bottom part has a space for IP addresses and URL environments. Because remember, you're testing locally and on staging. So you will have IP addresses to put on your host file. And sometimes there's, I had a job that had 7 environments, but hopefully you don't need more lines than this. You should have, your local, your staging, and your production, maybe dev and production, but 4 lines should be enough. If not, the back is going to be all lines. So basically that's just on the front page. Your normal pages that go around, you're going to have about 80 of this format is your day-to-day usage, which is you put the date, what you're working on that day. So I put feature, environment, and version, because some days you're going to work on local, some days on staging, and you have updated versions to keep the track of that. Stand-up notes, you don't have to write everything you say during stand-up. I usually just put a keyword of the stuff that I'm going to mention during stand-up, so that's a space for keywords. Space for your daily notes, and of course your defects next to a little bug there. The short description and the ticket number after you log it into Jira or Bugzilla or wherever you put your defects. And the back, of course, is just lines for all these extra notes. And at the end, you're going to have something that I noticed I write in all my notebooks. On the back of every notebook, I always have my coworkers' chat handles and phone numbers and extensions. So I decided to put that on the very last page. There is, let me see, there's about 2. You'll get front and back for that. So you can put your developer, your manager, the architects. That's what the role section is for. So fellow testers, etc. That's all in the back. And there you have it, the QR code for reordering. Unfortunately, Amazon has taken notebooks, journals, and what they call low info books, because it's not a book, it's a notebook, off the search menu. So if you search for a QA tester notebook on Amazon, you're not gonna find it. You actually have to search by my name. So you have to put Jennifer Barbour or software notebook by Jennifer Barbour. So just search for my name instead, because I actually tried searching for this. I put, notebook for software testers or just tester notebook. I went through 7 pages of results and did not find it. So just remember to use my name, Jennifer Barbour, and you'll be all set.